Alright, our birds' feathers have grown out quite a bit, so it is time to cut them again because they've become a little bit flighty. Some have jumped up on the fence, or they'll jump up into the tree at night, and we need them to stay in the coop. You already caught one? So we're going to show you how you clip birds' wings. Some people clip just one wing, thinking it'll keep them off balance. That's never really worked for us. We always clip both wings, and with their weight that keeps them down on the ground. This one doesn't need too many cut. You can see these are their primal feathers there. Holding her good?
Yeah.
Alright. Can you turn her so we can get the other wing? Hold her good. Let's see if she has any. Alright, let her down. Alright, bring it over.
She's the one.
This one is the culprit that really flies up. You can see her feathers have really grown out already. So she keeps getting out and flying up. Josie, can you hold this?
Yeah.
Aim it right there so we can see. So, here's a really good example. We're just going to cut across. Scissors aren't too sharp, but they'll work. Okay, and let's see the other side. Look at all those feathers. We cut these in the spring. Don't want to cut your fingers. So that should be good. That'll stop her from popping out of the pen. Alright, go grab one that hasn't been done.
Yeah.
Did we get
Just
her
a couple
away?
bottom ones. No, she's the.
Her wings take a long time to grow out.
Alright, other side.
Her other side is a little longer though.
Has she been hopping out?
No.
She never
Alright,
gets out.
her-
She only gets out.
Her wings actually look good. Alright.
Yes, I got her.
Whoa.
Yep.
That's how that one.
Sneaky.
Yeah, we need to move it.
Yep.
I'll get this one.
Alright.
Yeah, hurry yet.
Hers got pretty long too, huh? Hold it all the way out.
She's not moving.
Alright, other wing.
Yeah. Not using that.
And hers aren't too bad either. Hold it out. Are you holding it? Is that all of them?
Just got her down. There we go.
Right.
Okay. So let's move this roof over.